On October 4th, we have a great DevOps conference coming up, DevOps Loop. You can go to devopsloop.io to attend for free. What we've been focusing on when we're putting this agenda together is discussing what DevOps is now. I think one of the first talks about DevOps in this area was maybe in 2008, 2006, which makes it almost 15 years old. That's a long time for a set of methodologies to evolve. One of the things that I'm always curious about is where the developers are in DevOps. Recently, I've been theorizing that actually there are no developers in DevOps. Instead, what that dev means, and as I've seen people over those 15 or so years do DevOps, is that operations people are becoming more and more like developers. They're using programmer methodologies and programmer thinking and even programmer culture to think about how they provide services or platforms to the software developers in their organizations. Now, the software developers might be able to deploy stuff on their own or monitor and maybe even do some remediation, like rolling back. But really, they're not doing what I would think of as operations or infrastructure building. Instead, by following developer principles, by developing a platform, operations people are giving developers those tools where they can deploy things to production on their own, roll back problems, do some basic remediation. And that is the element of dev that DevOps is, having operations people think about building a platform for developers and really paying attention to developers as their customers. This means the operations people can ensure security and compliance and really the core fundamental thing you want with a platform, that it works in production, it stays up. I'm not sure if that's actually what DevOps has become, but I'll be interested to see what people at DevOps Loop have to say about it, and maybe afterwards come up with a new theory of what DevOps is. If you're interested in exploring that and a great lineup of speak-ups, you can go to devopsloop.io and register for free. You can attend for free. And then afterwards, as I'm hoping to do myself, you might have a good idea of what DevOps is 15 years later and how we can start applying it in large organizations.